Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to watch multiple channels on YouTube TV. So in order to do this, you first need to come to youtubetv.com and you need to simply log in into your account. Now over here, you need to make sure that you have YouTube TV subscription activated. If you don't have it, then you won't be able to get access to their 3 device simultaneously feature. So with the help of YouTube TV Premium, you will get the devices advantage, meaning that you can watch different types of shows, or I would say multiple shows in multiple devices at the same time. So if you want to watch multiple channels all on YouTube, what you can do is in one of your devices, like in your laptop, you can watch different channels, and you can just log in into with different ID in your mobile device, and you can watch a different channel over there. This way you will be able to watch multiple channels on YouTube TV at the same time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.